This is actually the fourth time I'm using my air fryer to prepare cake. The first, second, third was boom boom. I mean, it was fire. Was so perfect, and I wanted to share the recipe with you, but unfortunately I lost the videos. But anyway, yesterday I felt like eating cake, so I decided to record it and share with you, and just look at that beautiful outcome. Oh my goodness, it was soft, fluffy, and delicious. So in my bowl I have a stick of butter. I've added just a tablespoon of sugar. I'll go ahead and mix it very well so it is smooth. If today is the first time here, hey, welcome. My name is Lena and welcome to my channel. So I'm just going to add 3 eggs, but I'll be adding it one after the other. Hello my returning subscribers, do you know you guys are amazing? Thank you for always clicking my videos to watch. I do appreciate it. Thank you so much. Now we have all the eggs there. That is 3 eggs, and I've added half cup of milk, then a tablespoon of vanilla. Now I've added my half cup of all-purpose flour, half tablespoon of baking powder. That is what I'm mixing now. And after mixing, we are just going to add the next ingredient. Please do not go anywhere. If you've watched me till this point and you haven't subscribed, please, what are you waiting for? Can you please click on the red subscribe button and the bell that says all for more updates. For me, it is actually free. I have a Facebook page that is Exhibiting Mummy's Recipes as well. Please follow me there for more videos. Thank you very much. So we are trying to mix our ingredients very well so it becomes uniform. At this moment, I'm done mixing everything. I'll go ahead and add my walnut. You can actually use any quantity of your choice, okay? It adds some taste to your cake. It makes it very nice. That is what I mean. So I'll mix it very well, then we proceed. So I have my cake pan here, and I'm just going to pour the butter in, then we bake it. So using the air fryer save time and makes the thing look so beautiful as well. Okay, so we are going to bake this for 30 minutes. Okay, and that is the butter I'm pouring in the cake pan. And after 30 minutes, this is how the outcome looks. So fluffy, soft, and beautiful outcome. I just love it. Yes, I just love it. So give this a try and you are going to love it. So I used only 1 tablespoon of sugar because we don't like sugar. Okay, it is not advisable to train your child how to eat a lot of sugar, because when she grows she'll be used to it. Anything that she eats, she wants a lot of sugar in that thing. So you try to reduce the intake of sugar. It is very, very important. I actually fear sugar more than coronavirus. That is just by the way. I'm very sure you enjoyed watching, and I know you are going to try it. Let me know how the outcome will be, and I'll be very happy for that. So please do not forget to like, comment, share, subscribe for more videos, and also please follow me on Facebook at Exhibiting Mummy's Recipes and lovely_Mina_1992 on Instagram. Thank you very much for watching, and till I come your way next time, know that I love you. Take good care of yourself and eat. Bye. Thank you.